Pasyal muna tayo dito sa Juan Ayala Mall. We're going to play basketball again doon sa Monday Bowlers Club para pagbalik natin sa Buanga we'll be in tip-top condition. So this is Juan Ayala Mall, Ayala Avenue, corner EDSA. MRT again. Ito yung fastest way to the gym, sa Cloverleaf Gym. So makipagbatbatan tayo sa pila ng MRT going to Cloverleaf Gym sa ating Monday Bowlers Club. Going down tayo ng MRT. Ito pinaka mahabang escalator going to the MRT railway dito sa Ayala Avenue. Maraming nagmamadali. Okay guys, in 15 minutes we'll see each other in court. See you in court na lang. Thank you. Back to the Monday Bowlers Club. First game pa rin, very tight game between youngsters. So late tayo dumating, so second game na tayo masasalang. Oh. Uy, nice shot, open. Ito yung run and gun ball game, street ball basketball.